everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Roll this green color of craft paper, make a cone. Now keep it aside, take another piece of green craft paper, make multiple cuts, roll the cuts and paste it on the top of the cone using double-sided tape. Similar way, we are going to cover the entire cone and put a trunk as well, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Here we are going to take two different sizes of green craft paper and start folding it like this. Again, fold it from its corners and tuck the paper inside from its sides as well. Now paste it and make a shape like this. Keep it aside, do the same from the small size as well, and paste all of them one after another like we're doing here, and make a flower like this. You have to make more such flowers like 3 and paste all of them one after another like this, and look, it's ready. Paste the flower at the bottom side and look, it's done. After this, we are going to make 10 such flowers and paste all of them one after another like this in a circle and make a Christmas wreath, and look, it's ready. Similar way, we are also making this red color of flower and paste it at the center, and look, it's ready. We are going to make multiple fold on this white craft paper, cut it, roll it and make a stick. Now we are going to make more such sticks and paste all of them one after another in a straight line. Here we are going to take a measurement of 10 centimeter. You can increase or decrease the measurement according to your size. Here we are going to make this triangular shape like this and paste it like we're doing here. You can add on more sticks at the end and paste it using glue. Now start overlapping it over and over again on the triangular shape like we're doing here. Here we are going to make a beautiful star. So we are making two triangles like this, overlap all the stick like we're doing here, and look, you will get this beautiful design like this. Make two such shapes and we're going to paste both of them and make a beautiful star shape like this, and look, it's ready. Take this white paper, fold it and cut it like we're doing here. Now paste a circle on the top of it and a center hat as well. We are making snowman here. Make the hands using earbud, and look, it is ready. So fold it, make this triangular shape. Now draw the snowflake design on the top of it using a pencil. After this, we are going to cut all of them using a scissor, and be careful, you don't have to cut it fully, just cut the outlines like this. Open it gently and look, your snowflake is ready. We are going to color it like this. We're using black and white color. We are making penguin, cut the eyes and paste all of them on the peanut. You can make more such penguins, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.